It started with an inquiry that came through one of our channel partners. We were introduced to the client at Mulberry, given initial details about the apartment and the situation surrounding it. At that point, it was just information coming in, a brief on the property, and a sense that the client was looking for some support with their space. There was no full context yet, just early stages of understanding, and of course, trying to help the client gauge how much and how long it was going to take. This is usually where our role begins, by reviewing the inquiry, gathering the right details, and aligning internally how we can take it forward as a team. And from there, the project was officially awarded to One Fitout.
Most renovations start with inspiration, photos, and a clear vision. This one did not. The client only had seen the home once before buying it, but they knew they wanted it to be completely brand new and truly reflect them as a couple. They were unsure of what they wanted, so when designing it, I was almost going in blind, helping them uncover their likes, dislikes, lifestyle, and their personality along the way to help them create a home that genuinely felt like theirs. The challenge wasn't executing an existing design, it was helping the client create one. The client didn't come in with a defined aesthetic, so our role was to guide the whole process and translate their lifestyle into a cohesive design direction. Everything from the kitchen layout to bathroom material selections, detailing in the hallway, every decision was made to improve how the apartment felt, functioned and flowed as a home for them as a couple. This was the stage where everything started to come together, where layouts, material, and small design details started to shape the apartment into something that finally felt like them.
But at this point, nothing had been built yet, just conversations, plans, and trust in the process. But this was the beginning of the transformation.
Every renovation reaches a point where the ideas leave the table and the real work begins on site.
When a client first reaches out, I'm already involved from the inquiry stage, coordinating initial communication, organising project details, and guiding the process from the very beginning.
What started as plans and conversations was now unfolding in real time on site. Once we step on site, the design starts to become real, and you're constantly adapting and translating the vision into a real life condition. At that stage, it's no longer just about drawings and ideas, it's about working closely with the project managers, suppliers, and the team to make sure that every detail is executed the way it was intended. Because things are always shifting, needing adjusting to the real time and site conditions. Sometimes materials arrive and there's quick decisions to be made on finishes, installation, details based on the reality of the space. This is a stage where the design becomes full collaboration between vision, site team, and the practical side of bringing it all together. No renovation ever runs in a straight line. Every day is coordination between designers, site execution, suppliers, admin, constantly adjusting to keep everything aligned. At this stage, the apartment was still evolving, but it was no longer just an idea. It had become a coordinated process, slowly taking physical shape on site. Today's handover day, and it's my favourite part of the whole project. It's the moment we walk through the complete space with our client, and we make sure that every detail has been delivered exactly as we promised. This hallway is a great example of how small design changes can completely transform a space. We introduced not one, but 2 hidden doors inside the hallway moulding. We upgraded the ACs, the lighting, and it created a much stronger first impression from the moment you walk through the front door. During every handover, we walk through the space together with our client, checking every single detail, making sure that everything is finished to a standard that we expect. From custom TV units, bathrooms, kitchens, we review every single finish, every function and every detail to ensure the space not only looks beautiful, but works perfectly for everyday living. For us, a project isn't finished when the construction ends, it's finished when our client walks through the door and genuinely loves their new home. That final reaction is what makes all the planning, design meetings, site visits, and attention to detail worth it. Seeing a client that's excited to start their next chapter in a space that we've created for them never gets old.
So how was working with our team in this full renovation?
It was great. You know, look, it's not been easy. It's definitely been hard for you guys, but in general, they've been great. The team was amazing, whether it be Grace back in the office, or Jazoo on site, or Kaylee with the design support. They were all incredible. Can't imagine any full renovation project running smoothly. There's always going to be problems, and it's not always been my fault or the team's fault. Been other factors like dealing with local approval authorities or the project running during the recent Dubai conflict. I have a problem or a variation I wanted to add to the project. Kaylee and the team handled everything very efficiently. So yeah, I'm really happy with that.
If you had to describe your space at Mulberry, what would they be?
Very nice. It's everything we could have hoped for. Overall, very happy.